Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I will be showing you how to report vehicle on shoulder in Waze. So, to do this process, first just simply go ahead and open the Waze application into your device. Now, over here, you will have an option plus icon over here on the right side of the screen. It will be the yellow with a triangle. So go ahead and tap on that and make sure you have a GPS reception and make sure you are outdoors to make this work. And now from here, as you can see, the best option that you have over here is hazard. So pretty much you have multiple options, but the best option is hazard over here. And now here on the hazard, you will have an option over here, car on shoulder. Pretty much over here, you should be able to report that the vehicle is on a shoulder. And from here, you will have our points as you can see, and you can provide more information whether it's a left lane or a right lane down below. And after that, you should be able to report a vehicle on a shoulder, and this will also help others that is on your location. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.